I don't know about expanding the seats of the justice. I think it's really the quality and the qualifications of the justice really matters in this case, but absolutely term limits. I think that term limits is important, and especially what we have seen some of the along the way that I think we have some brilliant justice, don't get me wrong, and I really appreciate their contribution, in fact, for a lifetime for some of them, and that I'm grateful for what they have done for the country. But I think just given what we have seen under the Trump administration, I think that a term limit would be something that we should really consider and talk about, but also just also the process of appointment, and I think those are the things that we should consider.
We should expand the Supreme Court, and there should be a limit of one term, like whether it's 18 or 20 years. There should be a substantial period of time so that you can have continuity in the court, but it doesn't need to be forever. It pains me to say this as a lawyer. I practiced law for 15 years before I was elected to the Board of Supervisors. And when I came up as a law student and a young lawyer, we were really trained to revere the institution. And over the last few decades, and particularly over the last decade, the court has, in my view, tragically forfeited the right to have that kind of reverence. It has acted as a political body. The ruling that a president basically can't be prosecuted for anything that's arguably an official act, it was the beginning of creating this air of impunity so that Trump thought, well, I can do whatever I want because I'm the president, I'm the king. And the Supreme Court did that. They're acting like a political body, and so they should be expanded, and we should have a term limit.
Yes. So yes to increasing the number of justices on the Supreme Court. Yes to term limits. And you didn't ask this, but yes to impeaching a bunch of the justices that are on there right now who violated ethics. Ethics.